Okay guys, for the salsa ranchera that I like to make, we are going to use a 1/4 cup of red bell pepper. You can use whatever color you like. 1.5 cups of sliced and diced onion. 1 cup of diced tomato, 2 chile serrano, no actually 3 chile serranos. You can use jalapeno. This is 1 cup of crushed tomato, some cilantro leaves, 1 medium garlic minced, and I have about 3 cups of water. And the tomatoes that I'm going to use, I've been using these red gold crushed tomatoes, and I really like them, so I thought I would mention them in this video. Okay, so if you want to give them a try, let me know what you thought about them. Okay guys, I'm going to flip you over to the stove and we're going to get started. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to put about a tablespoon of oil, any kind of oil. I like to use olive oil. First vegetable that's going to go down are the onions, and you can see that I have some onions that are sliced and some that are diced. Well, I had some onion in the refrigerator and I don't like my vegetables to go bad. I don't like to waste food, so I'm just going to use them in this recipe. And we are going to add some salt. Okay, we're going to let the onions get translucent. Okay, the onions have softened up, and I'm going to add the bell pepper. I'm going to add the chile serranos. We're going to add the garlic. Add a little bit more salt at this point because I know it's going to need it. Now that looks good. Everything is wilted just enough. Okay, I'm going to add the diced tomatoes. This is fresh tomato. And if you don't have tomato, that's okay. We're going to use tomato crushed. And now we're going to put in the crushed tomato. Now we're going to add the water. I'm going to taste it to see how much salt we're going to need. And of course you need to taste your food to make sure that your seasonings are okay and to your liking. Okay, we're going to let this come up to the boil. And that should be good. We're going to let this come up to the boil and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, okay? And I will be back as soon as this is done so we can add the cilantro leaves. Okay guys, it's been about 15 minutes and I am going to add a little bit of water and we're going to put in the cilantro leaves. I added about another cup of water because I'm going to cook it down for a little bit longer still. And we're going to add the cilantro leaves, not too much, just a little bit. If you don't like cilantro, don't put it in. This is just a personal preference, and I don't put too much. I just put a little bit. Okay, I'm going to bring it back up to the boil and let it go for another few minutes. Okay guys, the salsa's ready. I ended up having it boil for about 30 minutes total, and it thickens up like this, and that's just the way I like it. If you don't want it so thick, just add a little bit more water or don't let it boil as long. And you can put this on top of a whole lot of stuff like huevos rancheros, chile rellenos. I mean, just all kinds of stuff. Or just eat it with chips. It's, you know, it's very versatile salsa. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up. Okay, talk to y'all later, guys. Bye.